My dear friends, today we have a very nice watch in our hands. It's a Patek Philippe Nautilus Chronograph. It's a pink gold, 18 carats. Automatic movement. The clasp, full 18 carats, rose gold. It is polished lately. Very nice dial, as you can see. Hour hand, minute hand, counter second of the chronograph, also minute, hour. It's a beautiful watch, waterproof. You can see part of the movement, the case back glass, transparent movement, transparent case, 18 karat rotor or oscillating weight. I will try to show you more like this, with the logo of Patek Philippe engraved on the oscillator. Crown, which is screwed, two positions, first position for winding, second position to adjust the time, and a small button here to adjust the date. It's a beautiful watch, not easy to find, a rare one, I could say. It is serviced and polished, ready to go back to its owner. Thank you for watching. See you soon.